All right, welcome back. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest topics out there, artificial intelligence. We're going to cut right through all the hype and just break down, step by step, what AI really is.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll get a super clear definition of AI. Then, we'll see what makes it so different from regular software. After that, we'll meet the doer of the AI world, the intelligent agent. And finally, we'll peek inside its playbook to see how it actually thinks and solves problems.
Okay, let's just dive right in. Before we get into all the crazy things AI can do, we really need to get on the same page about what it even is.
So, what is it?
At its absolute core, AI is all about building machines that can do things that, normally require a human brain. We're talking about stuff like learning, reasoning, solving problems. It's about getting machines to not just compute, but to think and act intelligently. And really, that whole mission kind of boils down to two big goals. First, to create intelligent machines we can actually interact with. Think about the smart assistants you talk to every day. And second, to use that intelligence to solve really tough, complex problems, like helping doctors spot diseases earlier and with way more accuracy. That all sounds pretty powerful, right? But it does bring up a really important question. How is this actually different from the regular software we've all been using for decades? What's the real advantage of AI?
Well, when you put them side by side, the difference is huge. A conventional program? It's rigid. It follows a fixed set of rules someone wrote, that's it. But an AI solution is alive. It's dynamic. It can actually learn from data, it adapts when things change, and, this is the big one, it gets better over time, all on its own.
Let's make this super clear with an example we all know and, well, we all know it. Spam email filters.
See, an old school spam filter just had a list of rules, like block emails with these specific words. But spammers adapt, right? They're always finding new tricks. This is exactly where AI shines. An AI-powered filter learns from millions and millions of emails, figuring out the patterns of what is and isn't spam. So when spammers change their game, the AI adapts automatically. It just keeps getting smarter.
Okay, so if AI is the brain, what's doing the actual work? Well, for that, we need to meet the core concept in AI, the intelligent agent. This is the thing that actually gets stuff done.
It sounds complicated, but it's really not. An intelligent agent is just something that can observe its surroundings and then take action to get what it wants. It sees, it decides, and it does. And it's made up of a few key parts. First up, you've got sensors. Think of these as the agent's eyes and ears. It's how it gathers all the info about its world. We're talking cameras, microphones, radar, you name it. Next, there's the agent program. This is the brain of the operation. It takes in all that data from the sensors and decides, okay, based on what I'm seeing, what's the best move to make right now? So the brain makes a choice. How does it act on it? Through actuators. These are the agent's hands and feet, the parts that let it physically do things in the world, like a robotic arm or a speaker, or even the steering wheel in a car. And finally, of course, you have the environment. That's just the world the agent is living and working in. A self-driving car is the perfect way to see how all this comes together. Its sensors are the cameras and radar, constantly perceiving the environment, the road, all the other cars, people walking around. The agent program, the brain, processes all that in real time to make decisions. And the actuators, the steering wheel and the brakes, carry out those actions. See? Simple.